Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing finance. Whether you're just starting to learn about finance or you're a seasoned pro, this video should have something for everyone. So, let's get started by answering the question, what is finance? At its most basic level, finance is the study of how people, businesses, and societies manage their financial resources. This includes things like saving and investing money, borrowing and lending money, and managing financial risks. Finance is a critical aspect of our daily lives. It affects everything from our personal finances and investments to the way businesses operate and governments make policy decisions. Without a basic understanding of finance, it can be difficult to make informed financial decisions and plan for the future. Finance is a broad field that encompasses a variety of different subfields, including personal finance, corporate finance, and public finance. Personal finance is the study of how individuals manage their money, including things like budgeting, saving for retirement, and investing. It's important to have a solid understanding of personal finance in order to make informed decisions about your own financial situation. Corporate finance is the study of how businesses manage their financial resources, including things like raising capital, making investment decisions, and managing financial risks. Corporate finance is critical for businesses of all sizes, as it helps them to grow and stay financially healthy. Public finance is the study of how governments manage their financial resources, including things like tax policy, government spending, and debt management. Public finance is important for shaping the policies and programs that affect communities and societies. Finance professionals work in a variety of settings, including banks, investment firms, and accounting firms. They may also work in government or nonprofit organizations. A career in finance can be rewarding and challenging, and it often requires specialized education and training. So, that's a brief overview of what finance is and how it impacts our daily lives. If you're interested in learning more about finance, be sure to check out the rest of our channel for more great financial content. We cover a wide range of topics, from personal finance to investment strategies to business finance, and our goal is to provide you with the educational content you need to make informed financial decisions. We believe that everyone should have the knowledge and tools they need to make smart financial choices, and that's why we provide only educational content on our channel. We encourage you to use the information we provide as a starting point for your own research and to seek out additional resources to help you make the best financial decisions for your own situation. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great financial content.